Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Get Fit with R. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite superfoods, chia seeds. I'll be showing you the correct way to use chia seeds to lose weight fast. If you're ready to boost your health and shed those extra pounds, stay tuned. Let's get started. So, what makes chia seeds so special? These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and a good amount of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Here's why chia seeds are great for weight loss. The high fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing your appetite and helping control your food intake. This is key for weight loss. Protein is essential for muscle building and repair, and it also helps keep you satisfied. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that can reduce inflammation and promote fat loss. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate chia seeds into your diet for maximum weight loss benefits. Here are some easy and delicious ways to do it. Chia seed water. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until the seeds swell and form a gel-like consistency. Add a splash of lemon juice for flavor and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Chia seed water is a great way to start your day, keeping you hydrated and full until your next meal. Chia pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk in a bowl. Stir well and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Add honey or maple syrup to sweeten and top with your favorite fruits. This chia pudding is a perfect breakfast or snack option. It's nutritious, filling, and delicious. Chia smoothie. Blend 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite fruit, 1 cup of water or milk, and a handful of spinach, optional until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Adding chia seeds to your smoothies is an easy way to boost their nutritional value. Here are some tips and precautions to keep in mind. Chia seeds absorb a lot of water, so make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. If you're new to chia seeds, start with a small amount and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. If you have any health conditions or are pregnant, consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. And there you have it, the correct way to use chia seeds to lose weight fast. Incorporate these little seeds into your daily routine and watch the magic happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Get Fit with R for more health and fitness tips. See you next time!